Hi guys, and welcome back to Nicole House to Home. This is the video of the ending of our little Halloween series that we do every year, and these guys thought that I was actually taking a picture of them when I was actually vlogging. So the picture is up next. You guys enjoy the series, and I will see you on the next one.
Yeah, it's the one. Yeah. Got me tied down on the way to the beach. 4 bad chicks in the middle of the street. Oh, right up in the yard.
We end up celebrating that Saturday before Halloween because we didn't know did Ishmael have to work late or not. But we also celebrated that Wednesday on Halloween. So you will see a clip of both days here.
Yeah.
So if you would like to know my recipe, it's only Kroger barbecue sauce and hot sauce and a little bit of butter, and these wings be so tasty, just so tasty. It's a treat for me and my family. Yeah, I put hamburgers in.
5:15.
5:15.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. You see, you ruined it. How did I ruin it? You know how you ruin it. Mom, what you gonna say in the video?
You look just like your daddy.
Hi. Again. I act like you, but I look like that. Dang.
That sums it up. What's the weekend?
It is Saturday.
Saturday,
October 27th.
The weekend before.
Halloween.
Yes, yes.
And Halloween will be here. No.
It say the weekend before. Do before mean past tense? Huh? Hello?
It's the weekend before Halloween, yes.
Look, the darn thing went blurry.
No.
You can't even see her. Yeah, so these little people right here are making s'mores. Halloween night.
It's very spooky.
Very spooky. On this Wednesday. Huh? They ain't trick-or-treating over here.
The marshmallows are open.
Yeah, booba open.
It's really hard to see from
Go right though. Go right there so I can see. Yeah, Ishmael, put a light on him. Your light.
It's gonna be really crispy.
Yeah, when she burn it.
I'll do a light burn for him because you don't eat burnt stuff.
Nah, you gotta burn it.
So I'm sure the marshmallow will be burned.
Come here, Carla. Let me see your mask. Come here. Close.
Scary.
Scary.
You have to see him?
You know, I won't eat it. I'll eat it. Even if it was super burnt.
You gotta take that thing off to eat it.
Take your mask off.
Take my mask off.
After Carlos came back from trick-or-treating and we got finished doing the s'mores, we came back in and we enjoyed the rest of the night with a little pizza and hot wings. So that was the end of our Halloween series. I hope y'all guys enjoyed, and we will see you on the next one.
the toys away. Books. Put the books away. Crayons.
One thing led to the next, and she got her hands